Good morning, class. Today we will do once again revision of chapter 14, synonyms and antonyms. So take out your synonyms and antonyms. Taken out. This is chapter 14, beta. Page number 39. Now, what is synonym? See, synonyms are the words which means the similar meaning. What it means, beta? Same meaning. सिनोनियम्स वो वर्ड्स होते हैं जिनके सेम मीनिंग होते हैं, ठीक है. एंड एंटोनियम्स कौन से वर्ड्स होते हैं जिनके अपोजिट मीनिंग होते हैं, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी, इफ आई से इजी को आप आसान को और किस किस वर्ड्स में डिफाइन कर सकते हो? सिंपल भी कह सकते हैं ना, क्योंकि डिफ़िकल्ट तो टफ हो गया, बहुत मुश्किल है ना. सो सिनोनियम ऑफ इजी इज सिंपल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ द थिंग विच यू डोंट लाइक, जो आपको पसंद नहीं है, हम उसे हेट कहते हैं और डिसलाइक भी कह सकते हैं, है ना. सो दीज आर सिनोनियम्स. सो see your A part. Find synonyms to complete the crossword. First one is easy. Right there, simple. SIMPLE. The words which have the same meaning. जैसे हम सेम कलर पेन के सेम पिंच करते हैं ना, the way. Return. Now next is shriek. What is the next word? Shriek. Okay. What do you mean by shriek? Shriek means चिल्लाना, टू शाउट. ओके, जोर से, डर के मारे चिल्लाना. सो राइट देयर स्क्रीम. SCREAM. राइट इट मीनिंग्स स्क्रीम. SCREAM. Next is pain. Next is pain. This word would everybody know. We always used to say, I have stomach ache. Stomach ache, that means whenever there is pain in your stomach, what you say? Stomach ache. Ache word you say or headache. That means pain in your head. Okay, so ache, that's the common word. So right there, ACHE. Speak with me, ache. Return. Now next is wigged. What it is, beta? Wigged. Speak with me. Wigged. Wigged, that means bad spirit. जिसे हम कह सकते हैं ganda. Okay, bad soul you can say. So right there, evil. What we say beta? Evil. मतलब bad spirit you can say, like ghost or whatever. So evil. Return. Hurt. See, your fifth one is hurt. हर्ट यू कैन से, जैसे हमें चोट लगती है हम उसको भी कहते हैं. ओके और चोट को क्या कहते हैं अपने साइंस में पढ़ा बेटा, इन द फर्स्ट एड इंजरी. ओके सो राइट देयर इंजरी. Return. Now next you see grown up. What we say grown up. Beta in the SST you might have read it 18 years. What are they called? Adult. Above 18 years na. What we say adult. So right there adult. ADULT. What we will say ADULT. Next is drag. If I say in computer lab drag your mouse, what are you doing? You are pushing the mouse towards yourself. So you can also say pull up. Pull you can say. So right there pull. PULL. Return. Next is silent. What is it? The teacher. What the teacher always say? Be quiet. That's a common word. Same meaning, silent. So right here, quiet. QUIET. Return. Next is writer. Now writer you can say also author. Okay, the person who writes stories, novels. So right there author. AUTHOR. Then next is huge. Huge means in height it is very tall. Okay. So you can write large. Large. See now. Done this A part. Now, next we will do antonyms. Antonyms, that means opposites. So first one is awake. Awake means when the eyes are open. Okay. So awake, when you are awake, that means जब आप जगे हुए हो, उसका अपोजिट क्या होगा? To sleep. So in asleep, mark 1. Better nobody will make lines, just put numbers. Asleep. Next is selfish. Selfish, the person who think of themselves only, not of others. So its opposite is generous. So in the generous, write 2. Next is expensive. Expensive means the things which is very costly, जो बहुत ज़्यादा महंगी है. तो उसका अपोजिट क्या होगा बेटा? चीप, सस्ता. So write there 3 in front of cheap. Now see your next is refuse. Refuse means मना कर देना लेने से. ओके, जैसे बर्थडे गिफ्ट पे आप करते हो, क्या करते हो? लेते हो या नहीं लेते? लेते हैं हम. ओके, मना नहीं करते. रिफ्यूज तो सिर्फ होमवर्क पे होता है. ओके, सो बट इट इज अपोजिट इज एक्सेप्ट. Mark 4 there. Next is safe. What its opposite is unsafe, you can say, or dangerous. Okay. नेक्स्ट इज रफ. रफ होता है बेटा खुरदरापन. इसका अपोजिट क्या होगा? स्मूथ. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट इज ब्राइट, चमकने वाला, उसका अपोजिट क्या होगा? डल। नेक्स्ट इज फेल, फेल का तो पता है, पास। हाँ, यहाँ पे पास नहीं है बेटा, यहाँ पे सक्सीड है। ओके, डू एवरीवन। See now, unscramble the words in bold print and draw lines of the synonyms. Now, see. Beta, this is your unkind. UNKIND. Right there, UNKIND, unkind. Okay. Unkind and match it with mean. MEAN, mean. Next is shout. Match it with yell. YELL. Next is damn. Match it with leap. Next is neat. Match it with tidy. Next is jump. For the jump, beta, everyone do one thing. Just match jump with the leap, okay? And this you do mad and match it with angry. Okay? Next is grin, GRIN. Grin. What it is? Grin, GRIN. That is your smile. I will send you the image, beta. Do that. Okay? Do as I have sent you the image. Okay?